I'm using a piece of 10 by 10 wood burned mesh. This is a wide foil, and I have wood burned my mesh to prevent the fraying, and this is 10 by 10. Okay, so what I'm going to do is curl down, turn it into a diamond shape. I have my factory edge on my top left and my bottom right, and I'm going to do each petal the exact same so they're all uniform, meaning that I'm always going to turn it the same way that the factory edge is on the top left and the factory edge is on the bottom right. I'm then going to, from the bottom corner, I am going to scrunch or pleat in an accordion fashion from the bottom corner to the top corner. So pleat. I am dragging my thumb and my forefingers along the table and gathering the mesh. Once I've got to the top corner, I'm going to flip them up, and I like to have my factory edge petal over top of the cut edge. Then I swing it to the left, my left, hold it down, and ensure that the two tips are about the same length, so I know each petal is the same length. Take my clothespin, I put it on the bottom of the petals until I'm ready to use. That is the leaf petal.